At for today, gagawa ko ng sarili kong for today's video. Ang init! What's up guys? And here, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, gagawa ko ng sarili kong version of drunk blush makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've done my makeup, I've done my foundation and my eyebrow, and haven't done my eyeshadow. I'll be doing a very simple eyeshadow makeup. First, gagamitin ko tong just to deepen my crease, my brow. Ano ba tawag dun? Basta, yun na yun. So, I'll be using the Face Shop. Ito siya. Ito yung shades niya. Wala yung pangalan eh. Basta, ano siya, more to a brown shade. Para siyang bronzer. So, I'll just, nagpapawisan ako kasi nakapatay yung aircon eh, kasi maingay. So, I'll just do on my crease. Just like that. Ayan, kita ba? Simple lang. Parang, pupunta lang ng palengke. Just kidding. Pupunta lang sa work. Pag may time ako or I wake up early in the morning to go to work, I usually do this kind of makeup. So, yan siya. Dito ba? Yan. And then next, I'll be using ito sa Naked 2, etong shades na to. Yan siya. Foxy shades. I'll be putting dito sa center ng lids. Lid. Yan siya. Ba't ay magkulay? Okay, I'll fast forward na lang kasi feel yata. Ayan siya. Ano to? Hindi ko pa nag-blend yung powder ko. Anyway, I'll be using an eyeshadow brush. Yan, magkukulay siya. Yes. May kulay ba? Okay, dahil hindi pigmented yung Naked 2, I decided to use the Dandelion Twinkle ng Benefit. Ito yung shades niya. Actually, highlighter to eh, pero pwede rin siya sa lids. To just add a sparkle on my eye. Hindi siya kita sa camera. Okay, next. I skip eyeliner kasi my go-to look everyday is without eyeliner kasi it would take mga 15 minutes kung maglalagay pa ako ng eyeliner kasi I'm not really good at doing my eyeliner. I'll be using my eyelash curler to just curl my lashes. Okay. And then for mascara, I'll be using Total Temptation by Maybelline. Yan. I like this because it's waterproof. I only use waterproof mascara. I don't really use the non-waterproof one kasi my face tends to get oily very fast throughout the day and they smudge easily. So I prefer using mascara, waterproof mascara. Yan. And it makes your lashes really long. That's why I like this. Okay, next. So for blush, ang gagamitin ko, ito siya. Yes, ito. Dear Darling Tint by Etude House. Etude House in the shade RD301. So, ito, ganito ko siya ilagay. I'll be using a dirty beauty blender. Sorry, I'm very lazy person. So, I'll put a 3 dot on my cheek, and then I blend. Itong the bottom one. Just dab. Ayan. And then the other side. 1, 2, 3. And then dab. Ayan siya. If it's not enough, then add 1 on both sides. And you dab it again, just like so. And siya. Okay, finally it's showing up. And then to make it like a drunk effect, you try to put it on your nose like this. Sorry guys, pinagpapawisan ako. Masyado siyang mainit dito. Because I tried to on my aircon. Pero masyado siyang maingay eh. Okay, I try to add more because I don't know why it's not showing on the camera, but it's showing. And there you go. Okay, pag naparami, you can always top it up with foundation or loose powder. Usually, I will try to use a loose powder. Yan siya. And, can you see? Okay. So, I'll try to set it with my Laura Mercier, my favorite Laura Mercier. Next, for my lips, I'll be using this one. Yun pa rin. Just at the middle, the center of my lip to create a gradient effect. To just soften. Okay, so guys, what do you think? Masyadong maputi. Actually, it's really look natural. Sa camera lang yan. Masyadong maputi yung mukha ko. Probably because I'm using a ring light. Pero nilayo ko na nga siya, pero masyado pa rin siya maputi. But I'll try my best to find the suitable lighting, a suitable place in my room to film in the future. So here you go. That's it, guys. This is the final look. As you can see, it's very easy. You can do it in like less than 10 minutes. Overall, I think it's not bad. What do you think, guys? So if you think I did okay, then please give it a thumbs up. If you think I need improvement, then please leave a comment down below so I can do better next time, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button if you want to get notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.